2013 Ford F-150 EcoBoost 3.5. Water pump's leaking, so we're going to get to it and get down in there and show you where the water pump is and change it. You look right down there, that tubing that goes to the throttle body has this little clip on it right here. You'll need to get it off just to get that tube up to get it off. And that tube is pretty hard to get off. That wasn't too bad. Okay, we gotta get this hose off. I got it loose already. It goes to that turbo right there, all the way down to the intercooler. Okay, and then it's got a little clip right here. You just get to it. You just undo it and they come out. All right, once we get this out, okay, I think we're gonna have to take the throttle body off. We took off the radiator hoses. See, there we go. We're gonna need to take this off. So you got to get this out of your way. Let's zoom in on this sucker. If you ain't careful, you'll pull this tube out right here that goes under the intake. You ain't careful. So this is a thermostat and that water tube crossover pipe housing, I guess that's what you call it. Some interesting stuff that Ford has come up with. Anyway, we found the water pump though. Okay, so we got down to the water pump. We'll need to get the belt off. There's a 15 millimeter tensioner right here. Get the belt off. You loosen these three bolts up right here. to get the pulley off. So now, here's the water pump. You got 7-8 millimeter bolts to get it out. Let's get it out, get it all cleaned up, and get the new one on. Here's a new water pump. Make sure you put the new gasket on it, and there's an O-ring in here. I put a little bit of dielectric grease on there so it'll just slide on without trying to roll the gasket. So let's get this slapped on. New water pump is installed. It comes with a new pulley, so I put it on, put the belt on it. We're ready to go. To put it back together, just go the reverse procedure how you took it apart. Make sure you burp it when you fill it full of coolant, and you'll be ready to go. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.